Welcome to this important video. In this video, I will guide you how can you install Python software on your own device if you want to start your career as a programmer and you want to learn it first, then you can install it on your device as well. For this, you need to do what you need to do is just to visit the official website of Python. First of all, we must be clear that Python is available free of cost. It is open source language, which means we do not need to pay anything to use this software. Therefore, it is available free of cost and it is not paid. So we need to visit the official website of Python and move into download section and we can download this software easily. Before downloading this and before completing this simple task, let me clear you, except this software, there are many other softwares as well which are made on the basis of different applications. For example, if you want to develop a website, then you will not stuck to Python basic software only. You can move on to next level software which also uses Python language, but it has some built-in functions which makes your coding easier to develop a good website. For that purpose, there is another software which is called Django, which helps you to develop the website, and it has already made similar features which are already using Python. So there is another software which is called Pygame, which also uses Python language, but this software uses Python for game development. So if you want to develop a game, then you can use this language, you can use this software as well. Such type of similar softwares are called development environment. So you can also download as Python as well as a developing environment. For example, a common developing environment which is used for basic, intermediate as well as advanced level of programming is called PyCharm. You can also download PyCharm with Python. However, there are so many other developing environments as well, but these developing environments are only using Python language, but their exception, their feature is that they have enhanced features, they have some built-in functions, some built-in features due to which our that project becomes easier. Another popular developing environment is called Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda, which is also important and popular to use the Python. So we can also download any of these developing environments as well. So let's move to our download tab and where we can easily use this language to download our easily Python software. So I will move on to Google and I will write here Python download, and you can see I will download the Python software, and in this way I will just write download Python in the download tab in search bar of Google, and here I will open the website www.python.org, and in this way this window will appear and I will move on to this downloads tab portion, and I can see here is the latest version of Python which is 3.10.6. However, it keeps on updating and you can also download your relevant version which is available on your required date. For example, you can see, so you can scroll down this bar and you can see here are so many other versions available in which you can download these version, any of these version, and you can download this version from this portion and you can use that as well. However, there are some minor changes, not major changes, so you can download any of these version. I will download the latest version from here and it is only of 27.6 MB. When I will download it, it will soon complete it, but I have already made it and installed it. So as soon as it gets completed, you will run it and install it in simple steps, and it will open in such a way. You can see this window will appear, but it will have a dark background. You can click on the top white bar, right click and click on properties, and you can move on to the colors tab as well, and you can change your screen text and background color. For example, you can choose your screen background as white and screen text as black, or you can change to it to any of your required option. And in this way, programming Python software will open up, and we will use here some programming as well. So this is the simple method to download Python. And if we want to develop any other developing environment, you can also move on to the Google tab as well, where we recently downloaded our Python software. You will write it here, any developing environment, like you will write it here as PyCharm download. So when you will write here PyCharm, then you will see that PyCharm will be easily downloaded and installed in it, and you can easily here is the common website which is called JetBrains, from where you can download PyCharm. And you can see here there are two different versions. One is community version and other is professional version, from where you can download any of your required. But professional version is paid, it is available for free 30 days only, but community version is free of cost available, and you will download it here and you will install it from here. Installation is simple, it is not so complicated, so I will not show it here, and you can easily download it and install it from here. So in this way you can download a software and install it, and a developing environment and install it. Thank you so much, that was all for this video. Hopefully you have learned it a lot. If you have any question, then you can ask it and we will discuss it in comments. Otherwise you can leave your feedback.